Hey, it's Scout Dunce Garage. How you doing today? Are you needing more cup holders in your Jeep? Are your door cargo nets sagging? Well, in this video, we'll address both those problems. Stay tuned. Before we jump into this week's video, I'd like to invite you to the Midwest #1 Adventure and Travel Consumer Show, the More Overlanding and Off-Road Expo. It'll be held April 21st through 22nd, 2023 at the Ozark Empire Fairgrounds in Springfield, Missouri. Be sure to use the code DUNNAGEGAR10 for 10% off your ticket prices, and we look forward to seeing you there because we will be there as the storyteller. Now let's get to the video. So the tools you'll need: T20 Torx with a nut driver, razor blade, a body panel tool, some isopropyl alcohol, cotton ball. Alright, this is one part I think Jeep did wrong in their design. These cargo nets, the material they used, sucks. The driver's side I hardly ever used. It stretched out. My wife, in the Jeep's defense, she overused this one. She shoves water bottles and all sorts of stuff in there, and it just didn't hold up. I'm using the body panel tool and just stuffing the old excess stretched out netting back inside the door panel, and that's how I'm taking care of it. Gonna hide it, not use it. I've seen other people actually cut the nets out. I didn't like that option, so that's what I'm doing. See how well it holds up. Using some rubbing alcohol. Gonna use that to clean up the mating surfaces for the two-sided tape. Some of these cup holders I've seen, they only use two-sided tape and clips in place. This one actually uses screws as well, and I really like that. However, I was not impressed with the two-sided tape, so right after the video I actually took these back off and used some two-sided Gorilla tape and reattached them, and I'm not having any issues whatsoever. The fit and finish, it goes in great, it's easy to do. It doesn't quite match the color of the door panels, which is fine. Over to the driver's side, just repeat the process. Removing the factory two-sided tape, again using the Gorilla tape afterwards, I think just as a better fit. That ledge just snaps inside that area right there in the door panel. Now when I got these all in, I wanted to check and see how well the cups fit in here, and that's where I was a little shocked. And I don't know that I would do this again. Probably will, because again my wife carries a lot of water bottles with us. So what I found is a 20-ounce pop bottle will fit. A 20-ounce water bottle will fit, but a larger bottle than that won't fit. So I had to go out and get a new bottle just to use my side, because that's the bottle I usually use, and yeah, it's not going to work for me. I also noticed that when I use the dead pedal, my leg rests against the cup holder, and it's pretty uncomfortable. I usually don't use the dead pedal, so I'll keep using it, see how well I like this, but something to consider. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, see you next week.